Hey guys, how's it going? This is Naresh here from NM Global Trades. Welcome to this video of market summary for March 4th week. If you are going to stay till end of this video, exactly I will show you what happened on March 3rd week. I mean with respect to our analysis, like how market performed, that I will try to educate you on that, like how market proceed further. So before proceeding with this current week market summary for March 4th week, I want you to watch this video clip which I have posted for March 3rd week. Suppose like now Nifty want to continue the uptrend, like maybe it's like some profit booking or some fall happened. If it need to continue the uptrend, this would be a crucial level. So this 980 would be a crucial level. So we have to expect price action to happen above this level, and it has to continue to further resistance zones. Or if Nifty has taking a resistance, I mean if it's continuing the fall, then also this level will be a crucial level for shorting also. So that is how Nifty looks right now. So now let's try and understand what happened on March 3rd week. I mean, I posted video on this day, that is on March 15th. I mean, at the end of this day, I have posted the video, and I mean this is momentum we have seen like from coming days, right? So on March 16th, what happened? Let's go and check out. I mean, let's go to 5-minute chart and check like what happened on March 16th. I mean, if you see in this in the previous video clip what I have posted, I mentioned like 980 is going to be a crucial level for Nifty, whether if it want to continue an uptrend or if it want to continue the downtrend, right? So this particular day, what happened? Market started somewhere around this zone. I mean this particular level actually. Initially it tried moving up, then again hit this level, and it observed like some reactions to this level, and finally this particular candle with some heavier volumes, it gave up this level, and finally market closed below this level again. So again the momentum confirmed, I mean it is not going to be on upside, since I mean it closed below this crucial level again, right? So from that time you can experience the move what happened on Nifty. Continuously there is a very good fall happened. I mean it's forming a lower highs kind of format, and continuously we have experienced a very good fall on market. So for that particular week, 980 acted as a very crucial level. So accordingly, we experienced the fall also, correct? Now coming to this week analysis, first let's go to daily time frame and try to understand what's happening on daily time frame. So these would be the crucial, important levels for the coming sessions of trading. Now I am looking at this crucial zone, that is 14,745 and 14,755. As I said earlier, like for 14,980, how it is crucial level for this current week. I am expecting this 745 and 755 would be a crucial zone in order for the Nifty to continue the further move. Whether if it want to continue towards upside, it has to sustain above this zone, or it has to take this zone as a resistance and it has to fall further down. So these are the support zones what we are seeing on Nifty now, and these are the resistance, next resistance level for the Nifty. Okay, if we observe like today's intraday movement, what happened with Nifty? So initially it opened above this support zone, it started getting a resistance from this crucial resistance zone, then it fell, and finally, you know, again it started getting support from the support zone, and right now it's trading just below this crucial resistance zone. So mostly, I mean, if market has to continue that up move, it has to sustain above this resistance zone to go further up. Otherwise, like maybe market can open gap up, you know, it can come to this level, take support and continue the up move, or this can, I mean, this zone can be a resistance and it can continue the down move further. So these are like some of, I mean, scenarios can happen on Nifty. So I would be watching out for this crucial zone, that is 14,755 and 14,745. Now let's go to Bank Nifty and discuss what are the important levels for Bank Nifty. I'm going to daily time frame. Bank Nifty, if you observe, I mean, it gave up this crucial, I mean, swing level. I mean, this would be a crucial swing level. Initially it took support over here, and right now it gave up, I mean, this level, and very well it's trading below that crucial level. On Bank Nifty, I was seeing some supports in this gap zone, that is this high and this particular low. This is where, I mean, some good gap support is happening on Bank Nifty. So that is what it's trying to do. And today also it formed a kind of insider candle, and yesterday we got some buying. And next support would be this swing high, that is this particular high. This would be a next swing high for, I mean, next support for Bank Nifty actually. So right now it's like there is some wide range price action to happen, because these would be some, you know, important levels going forward. So right now I can tell it's at support. So it's trying to take, I mean, support because of this insider candle also today. So we have to exactly, I mean, watch how price, you know, proceeds here. I mean, trend wise, if you ask me, it's not like very clear. It's at, I mean, I can tell Bank Nifty is at support level. So we have to, I mean, be dynamic in taking our trading decisions in live market. So stay tuned with our channel and with our Telegram channel. So if there is any updates, I would be posting there. And if you like my content, what I am doing, you know, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you all in next video. Take care.